Words have the power to touch hearts and stir emotions. To begin with our presentation, let us listen to a beautiful recitation that will set the tone for the morning.
Every nation has a soul, and the soul of Bharat is its timeless spirit of wisdom, strength, and compassion. A land of many voices, yet one heartbeat. A land of ancient echoes, yet ever young.
This morning, we invite you to experience Bharat, not through history books, but through living voices, a symphony in three languages, woven in poetry and rhythm, to reflect the light, the heartbeat, and the vision of our motherland.
In Sanskrit, the voice of wisdom. In Hindi, the voice of the heart. In English, the voice of the world. Together, they form one melody, Bharat, the soul of a nation.
Bharat, the soul of a nation. Bharat, a land not just drawn on maps, but etched in hearts, in dreams, in steps. One land, many voices, yet one soul. Come, walk with us through our spirit whole. We present Bharat, the soul of a nation.
Before Bharat was called a nation, she was called a thought, a flame of wisdom lit by the rishis, carried through time, never forgot. In Sanskrit, the voice of the soul were the echo of that light.
भारतस्य तेजस्विता विदेशु गीतं दीर्घकालात् न केवलं देश अपितु चैतन्ययुक्तं नाम सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं तत्रैव भारतं नील्यते.
Bharat's brilliance shines through ancient Vedic songs.
Not just a country, but a living consciousness.
Truth, goodness, beauty all find a home in her.
नारायणस्य हृदयमेव कर्माय भूतिरस्ति विद्या धर्म अतीत काल एष भारतः अस्ति. नमो नमः भारत माते त्वं मे जीवन शक्ति.
A divine heart that forms from compassion, knowledge and dharma beyond time, that is Bharat. Salutations, Mother Bharat, you're my soul's strength.
जयतु भारत ज्ञानस्य शान्ति सहिष्णुतायाः स्थली.
Victory to Bharat, land of wisdom, peace, and tolerance.
Bharat is just not a name. We remember it is the rhythm of our breath, the warmth in every home.
भारत वो दीपक है जो आंधी में भी जलता है. हर दिल की धड़कन में उसका गीत पलता है. कभी बुद्ध की शांति, कभी मीरा की प्रीति, कभी बन जाता है गांधी की सीधी सच्ची रीति. मिट्टी भी बोलती है और पेड़ भी छांव देते हैं. यह धरती सिर्फ जमीन नहीं, यह सपनों की माया है. भारत जहाँ हर दिल अपने मन से धड़कता है.
And what of Bharat in the world to come? She walks with courage, yet speaks so calm. She teaches us that light need not burn, it can glow. That greatness is not in ruling, but in letting love flow.
Bharat is not just drawn on maps, but set in love and grace. In every prayer of peace we say, in every selfless face. It is not bound by borders, not by battles won or lost. It lives wherever the truth is loved, no matter what the cost. In Tagore's lines, in Kalpana's skies, in Ambedkar's call for right, in every child who dreams anew, Bharat takes its flight. Bharat, a light the world may follow, gentle, bold and bright.
Bharat is not just a memory, it is not a word of a past.
It is a prayer we live, a promise that must last.
यही है भारत की भावना जो सबको गले लगाए, वही सच्चा भारत है.
Where love is strength and peace is power.
जय हिंद.